baby.
Got him, baby.
That was an amazing shot. We just got 6 awesome shots that I want to share with you and talk about throughout this video. I'd say that shot was a very hard shot to get. We do some roping sometimes, and we said, why don't we jump on a Onewheel and do it? So that's how we got that shot. Hey, all we're trying to do here is get some rocks off of our neighbor's driveway. Hope you like these epic shots. Oh!
Go get it. Goal!
So Bodie Harrison sent us that volley block, and we have been hitting it since he sent it. And it's been crazy. We've been getting some awesome shots with it. So check these out. Alright, apparently we took some people off, so let's go and see what that was. Back on the train tracks. Yeah. Apparently in that shot of me on the train tracks, we upset some people, because we know about that in the comments. But as you can see, we're still in no immediate danger. Like there's no trains within a mile's vicinity of us.
Well,
So
I see one.
I think we're good. And as you can see, we got some amazing shots.
We could do a little track action if you want. Look, over there. Do a trick on the railroad track. Oh my, do it very well. Oh my gosh. Dude, hold on, let me get you riding up to this.
So this next shot's pretty funny because he said take it to another level, and I didn't know what level that was, so, but I figured it out. I'm gonna show you a trick where you have to use 3 different switch maneuvers and land them all and get back to normal.
Now let's take it to another level. Say it. Now let's go.
Now let's take it to another level. What kind of level are we taking it to?
Off the thing.
That's how you take it to the highest level you can. I've always been avoiding this spot, but I finally wanted to hit it, so I did. Watch.
Oh my God. Go with it. Close it out.
All right, guys. Hope you like those shots. If you hit like and subscribe, that helps with the algorithm know that you like our stuff and that you want to see some more of it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.